And how many peanuts are you picking?
35.
Ready? And go. 35. Look at your numbers. Is that correct?
No.
Put it correct. Great. Cool. How many peanuts are we doing?
78.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set,
Go.
go. 78. 78.
How many seconds? 7 seconds. Woo! Cool.
Whoa. 45.
Woo! That was 8 seconds. Cool, Thomas.
At Alphabeteer, FunBrainLearning is so much fun. I learn to read and write and count while I jump and play and run. We're